Welcome to the fascinating world of semiconductor manufacturing process nodes. In this video, we'll explore what process nodes are, why they matter, and how they shape the technology powering our devices. From smartphones to supercomputers, process nodes are at the heart of every chip. We'll start by defining the term and then journey through the evolution of manufacturing techniques, highlighting the impact on performance, power, and cost. Let's dive in and unravel the secrets behind the numbers you see on chip specs. Process node refers to the manufacturing technology used to create semiconductor chips. It's typically measured in nanometers, representing the size of features etched onto silicon wafers. Smaller nodes mean tinier transistors, which can lead to faster, more efficient chips. Over time, the industry has moved from larger nodes like 250 nm to today's cutting-edge 3 nm and beyond. Understanding process nodes helps us appreciate how chips evolve and why each new generation brings improvements. Transistors are the fundamental building blocks of chips. With each process node shrink, more transistors can fit into the same area, boosting performance and efficiency. This scaling, known as Moore's Law, has driven the industry for decades. Smaller transistors switch faster and consume less power, enabling devices to run cooler and last longer on battery. The relentless push for smaller nodes is all about packing more power into less space. The early days of semiconductor manufacturing, process nodes were much larger. Chips were made using 10-micron and 5-micron technologies, which limited the number of transistors and the overall performance. These early nodes laid the foundation for the industry, setting the stage for rapid advancements. As manufacturing techniques improved, the industry quickly moved to smaller nodes, unlocking new possibilities for computing power. As technology progressed, manufacturers transitioned from microns to nanometers. The 250 nm node marked a significant milestone, enabling more compact and powerful chips. This shift allowed for greater integration, making devices smaller and more capable. The industry's focus on nanometer nodes continues today, with each step bringing new challenges and opportunities for innovation. Moore's Law predicts that the number of transistors on a chip doubles roughly every 2 years. This principle has guided the industry's relentless pursuit of smaller process nodes. As nodes shrink, chips become more powerful and efficient, fueling advancements in computing, communication, and entertainment. Moore's Law remains a driving force, even as physical limits challenge its pace. Lithography is the process of etching tiny patterns onto silicon wafers. As nodes shrink, advanced lithography tools like extreme ultraviolet EUV become essential. These techniques allow manufacturers to create features just a few nanometers wide, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Lithography is a cornerstone of modern chip production, enabling the industry to keep pace with Moore's Law. Materials used in semiconductor manufacturing have evolved alongside process nodes. Early chips relied on simple silicon, but as nodes shrank, new materials like high-K dielectrics and metal gates were introduced. These innovations help maintain performance and reliability, even as features become incredibly small. Materials science is a key driver of progress in chip manufacturing. Introduction of the 90 nm process node marked a leap forward in chip design. This node enabled higher clock speeds and lower power consumption, making devices faster and more efficient. The 90 nm era saw widespread adoption in consumer electronics, setting new standards for performance and energy savings. With the 65 nm node, manufacturers achieved even greater transistor density. This advancement allowed for more complex chips, supporting new features and capabilities. Devices became smarter and more versatile, benefiting from the increased integration and efficiency of the 65 nm process. The 45 nm process node brought further improvements in speed and power efficiency. Manufacturers could fit more transistors onto each chip, enabling advanced computing and graphics capabilities. The 45 nm era saw breakthroughs in mobile devices, gaming, and high-performance computing. 32 nm node represented another step forward in miniaturization. Chips became even more powerful, supporting demanding applications like video editing and gaming. The 32 nm process enabled manufacturers to push the limits of integration, delivering more features in smaller packages. The 22 nm process node introduced new transistor designs such as FinFETs. These innovations improved performance and reduced leakage, making chips more reliable and efficient. The 22 nm era saw the rise of energy-efficient processors, ideal for mobile and portable devices. The 14 nm node brought further refinements to chip design. Manufacturers leveraged advanced lithography and materials to deliver faster, more efficient processors. The 14 nm era enabled new levels of performance in laptops, smartphones, and servers, powering the digital world. 10 nm process node pushed the boundaries of manufacturing precision. Chips became even smaller and more powerful, supporting cutting-edge applications like artificial intelligence and high-speed networking. The 10 nm era marked a turning point in the industry, with new challenges in yield and reliability. The 7 nm node is a hallmark of modern chip manufacturing. It enables unprecedented transistor density, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. The 7 nm era is defined by advanced lithography, new materials, and innovative design techniques, pushing the limits of what chips can do. The 5 nm process node represents the cutting edge of semiconductor technology. Chips at this scale are incredibly powerful and efficient, supporting advanced AI, graphics, and connectivity. The 5nm era is marked by breakthroughs in manufacturing, enabling new possibilities for devices and applications. The 3nm node is the latest frontier in chip manufacturing. It allows for even greater transistor density, unlocking new levels of performance and efficiency. The 3nm era is characterized by advanced materials, precision engineering, and the relentless pursuit of miniaturization. As process nodes shrink, manufacturers face new challenges. Issues like quantum effects, heat dissipation, and manufacturing defects become more pronounced. Overcoming these obstacles requires innovation in materials, design, and manufacturing techniques. The quest for smaller nodes is a constant battle against the limits of physics. Yield refers to the percentage of chips that function correctly after manufacturing. As nodes shrink, maintaining high yield becomes more difficult. Reliability is also a concern as tiny defects can impact performance. Manufacturers invest heavily in quality control and testing to ensure chips meet rigorous standards. The cost and complexity of manufacturing increase dramatically with each new node. Advanced equipment, materials, and processes are required, driving up expenses. Only a few companies can afford to invest in cutting-edge nodes, leading to industry consolidation and fierce competition. Global foundries play a crucial role in semiconductor manufacturing. Companies like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel lead the industry, investing billions in new facilities and technologies. These foundries drive innovation, enabling the development of ever-smaller process nodes. Chip design and manufacturing are closely linked. Designers must optimize layouts for each process node, balancing performance, power, and cost. Manufacturing teams implement these designs using advanced tools and techniques, ensuring chips meet specifications and deliver value. Packaging is an essential part of chip manufacturing. New techniques like 3D stacking and chiplets allow for greater integration and performance. Packaging innovations help overcome limitations of process nodes, enabling more powerful and versatile devices. Artificial intelligence is driving demand for advanced process nodes. AI chips require high performance and efficiency, pushing manufacturers to innovate. The synergy between AI and semiconductor technology is shaping the future of computing, with new nodes enabling smarter, faster devices. Mobile devices benefit greatly from advances in process nodes. Smaller nodes mean longer battery life, faster performance, and slimmer designs. The smartphone revolution is powered by the relentless pursuit of miniaturization and efficiency in chip manufacturing. Supercomputers rely on the most advanced process nodes to deliver unparalleled performance. These machines drive scientific research, weather forecasting, and AI development. The push for smaller nodes enables supercomputers to tackle increasingly complex problems. The future of process nodes is full of promise and uncertainty. Researchers are exploring new materials, architectures, and manufacturing techniques to push beyond current limits. Quantum computing, neuromorphic chips, and other innovations may redefine what's possible, opening new horizons for technology. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in semiconductor manufacturing. Companies are investing in eco-friendly processes, energy-efficient facilities, and recycling programs. The drive for smaller nodes must be balanced with environmental responsibility, ensuring a greener future for technology. Semiconductor manufacturing process nodes are the backbone of modern technology. From early microns to today's nanometers, each step has brought new capabilities and challenges. As we look to the future, innovation, sustainability, and collaboration will shape the next generation of chips. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of process nodes. Stay tuned for more insights into the technology that powers our lives.